Hello guys, welcome back to the Brute Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about Celsius token or Celsius network. So if you guys want to put some of your spare cryptocurrencies to work by lending them or even trying to test out a centralized entity like Celsius network, Celsius offers unique interest rates at a stable price, and you can also find a variety of cryptocurrencies that you can lend easily, right? So let's look at Celsius Network's website. Basically, if you go to celsius.network, you can find a lot of information about their entire service that they provide, the modern way to manage assets, right? So earn rewards on all held coins. You can earn lending. You can earn interest on your lending cryptocurrencies that you choose to lend through this platform, and these interest rates are relatively high, and they are way higher than any of your banks can ever provide you, right? So if you want to use a centralized entity to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies, Celsius is definitely a good option. Borrow cash while keeping your assets. If in case you have a bit of cryptocurrency and you would need to get cash because you have an urgent payment to make, or you have to use it for some of your day-to-day expenses, you can deposit your crypto in Celsius and borrow a small relative collateral percentage of it, let's say 50% of it, in fiat or on stable coins to for your day-to-day activities, right? And once you have mustered enough cash, you can pay the cash back along with interest in order to get back your cryptocurrencies back, right? So that's a pretty cool option. Pay and transfer with the tap of an app. So you can use this app, and it's pretty versatile. You can use it to send, you can use it to pay or transfer funds. It's a pretty cool app which is highly user friendly, right? If you see on their website, they have videos of their CEO Alex Mashinsky, who is a very famous figurehead in this platform, and who's also who has been known to answer several questions about Celsius, and has participated in several community engagement activities. And you can see some of his videos on their website. So this is crypto on your terms. Digital currency should be accessible to all with meaningful rewards and real flexibility. To secure a loan, send to friends, and build wealth. That's Celsius. So that's pretty standard and straightforward mission statement. They just want to ensure that cryptocurrency is accessible to everyone, and you can earn you can get a loan, send money to your friends, and build wealth with Celsius network, right? Again, they offer some of the highest interest rates of any centralized entity currently known to exist. They offer 16.54% interest on USDC coin, 6.61% APY on Ethereum, 6.20% on your Bitcoin, and you can also see several of their other rates by clicking the view all rates on their website. Because crypto shouldn't be cryptic, we proudly share up to 80% of our revenue with our users, so you can earn up to 18.55% APY distributed weekly, beat that banks. So that's very true, because no banks can beat that kind of a rate, right? If you feel like any of your regular interest rates from your bank is high, then 18.55% APY is beyond crazy, right? And when they lend your tokens, whatever interest they get, 80% of the revenue that they make goes to the community, and 20% goes as a management fees, right? So no minimum balance required. So if you have even a small fraction of Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can still lend in the platform, and start accruing interest on it. Rewards paid out weekly. So if you're interested in seeing your progress every single week, they pay out your the interest every Monday, I believe, on your app, and you can track it every week, withdraw at any time with no fees. Again, this is a very important feature that they offer, right? You can withdraw your funds with no fees to pay. The reason is, I believe that they do it as a part of their own business business model, where they pay out fees on behalf of the community, especially considering the fact that Ethereum gas fees are very high, not only for transaction but also for like sending and receiving tokens, right? A no fee feature is a really cool and useful feature for the current times. So borrow without letting go. Use your crypto to borrow dollars or stable coins. Loans start at just 1% APR. So if you have some cryptocurrencies or from which you want to borrow fiat currency or some stable coins, you can use your cryptocurrency as collateral to borrow fiat or stable coins, and you can pay back the loans with APR starting at 1% interest, which is pretty cool for for cryptocurrency based lending platform, right? Again, this is their user interface. If you haven't already made yourself familiar with the Celsius interface, it's a pretty straightforward and easy to use, friendly interface that most people will find easy to use. Earn more with your crypto. Simply transfer your currency to Celsius and earn up to 18.55%. Like we said, it's a smarter way to save. Again, pretty straightforward. They try to include their mission statement every single opportunity they get. Pay and transfer on the app. No fees, no minimums. Securely send crypto is as simple as sending a text. Oh, and did we say no fees? Again, pretty straightforward. Again, nothing much to say about this platform, because it's a pretty straightforward lending and borrowing platform, right? Our mission is simple. Crypto is a conscience. By sharing up to 80% of our revenue with our users, saving is worth it again, and financial freedom is back on the market, right? And if you see the numbers, they have processed $8.2 billion worth of loans so far, which is a lot. And if you see, they have 386,000 plus users for their community, and they have $7 billion, more than $7 billion in community assets, right? Which is pretty incredible for a centralized app like Celsius Network. Modern currency, full transparency, opportunity for all. This is savings and earnings for the 21st century, right? Safe and trusted using blockchain technology. Again, I don't know what they mean by blockchain technology based safe and trusted. Although blockchain technology is in itself safe, most centralized entities are not really safe, right? That's why decentralized entities even exist in the first place. So although they claim that their network is their app is safe and secure, which I do agree with, there is always a risk that you should consider when you're using centralized exchanges or apps such as Celsius Network, right? But if you see in the centralized lending and borrowing arena, Celsius is one of the most secure and the most well known. They are very reputed, and since they're based in the UK, the regulatory requirements are very stringent. So you don't have to worry about your funds being stolen or you losing access to your funds, right? But although I would say that, I would still not recommend anyone to put more than what they're willing to lose. Or if you have a big portfolio, I wouldn't suggest dumping your whole portfolio in Celsius app, right? You can allocate a small portion to test it out only when you're comfortable using it, right? But they are a safe entity as of now. 24/7 access. It's your crypto after all, so you can, if you have any questions, you can access their customer service, which they are pretty quick, and they're very on top of their game. Mobile friendly with the Celsius app. Again, you can use it on your app itself. Global reach, accessible from all over the world. Again, there's no restrictions to use Celsius. You can access it from all over the world. See what others have to say. So again, if you go on, you can clearly see that they have a lot of other information, what people would have to say with regards to testimonials, and they have other information that may potentially be helpful to you. I recommend going to their website to learn more before you put any of your money, right? And their website is celsius.network. So when we look at the reward rates, you have basically two categories, one for international and one for the US. Obviously, there are certain restrictions in the US, which if you're a US citizen, you might want to click on this tab to check what is the difference between the international and the US rates. But when it comes to international rates, you can clearly see that you have two options to earn your interest, right? You can earn interest in kind, where you will be earning interest on the token that you have deposited, or you can choose to earn interest in CEL tokens, right? You get a higher interest rate per annum, and this is one of the means by which you can earn Celsius tokens, right? You can, if you have Celsius tokens, you can kind of compound it by earning 4.86% on your Celsius token itself, which is a pretty cool feature. Again, you can see that if you can earn 18.55% in Synthetix and Matic, which is pretty high for any of the cryptocurrencies, 16.54% on all of the stable coins, and they have a wide variety of stable coins, including some of the ones that are really exotic. And if you see Aave, you can earn 9.87% on Aave, right? This is, I think, one of the only platforms that offers lending options for Aave, because Aave is, you can have decentralized options, but centralized options for Aave is very little. I believe that that's the same with UMA. And if you have Pax Gold or Tether Gold, you can earn 7.21% on those. And you have several other cryptocurrencies, including Uniswap, 0x, Kyber Network, and so on and so forth, right? Again, some of the wide variety of tokens for a centralized lending platform, right? Lending and borrowing platform, right? You can check this out again on their website, celsius.network/earn rewards on your crypto, right? So let's look at the CoinMarketCap page for Celsius token. Celsius token is currently the 43rd ranked cryptocurrency based on market cap on CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading at $5.02 at the time of recording this video, and it was recently down 0.72% in the last 24 hours, right? If you see the market cap, although initially you may think that this is a high market cap token, there is still a long way to grow, and I'll explain that in a few seconds. But if you see, as of now, the market cap is $1.19 billion, and the total supply, which I believe is also the max supply, is 695 million tokens, and the current circulating supply is 238 million CEL tokens, right? So again, you may think that there's a lot of chances where the token the token price would get diluted because of injection of new tokens into the ecosystem. But in reality, if you see that most retail people who hold Celsius token don't really have a lot of use cases for it, right? Again, yeah, you can definitely pay back your interest that you from the money that you borrowed in Celsius token, and if you do that, you will definitely get a discount for paying your loan back in CEL tokens. But the main people who use CEL tokens are the institutional investors, right? So if you look at the charts, you can pretty much see that since late 2018, the price of CEL tokens has been pretty flat with no activity, right? And since June of 2020, you can slowly see that there's a slight increase, and it's slowly increasing. And late last year and early this year, you can clearly see that there's a parabolic rise in the dollar value and the Bitcoin comparative value, right? So why is this the case, right? I did some research, and I believe that this is the most likely explanation on why CEL tokens suddenly start spiking up, right? So when you lend your Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies through the CEL network, your cryptocurrencies are being lent out to institutional investors, right? And they use your cryptocurrencies to long or short cryptocurrencies. And as you can see from the news, there's a lot of institutional investors who are coming into the crypto space. Not only are they buying the actual Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency assets themselves, they also realize that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going to be the future of currencies, and they're longing or shorting these positions based on their personal preference, right? And when they're long or short cryptocurrencies, they're basically borrowing funds from entities such as Celsius Network, which is using user funds to lend out to institutions, right? Again, these institutions, when they pay back their loans with their interest, they obviously want to pay less interest on what they've borrowed. And one way of paying less interest is by holding CEL tokens on Celsius Network. The reason is, if you hold CEL tokens, your interest is significantly decreased, right? So these institutions buy up huge volumes of CEL tokens, and that's the reason why you can clearly see that the spike of the price of CEL tokens, right? Although if you do already use Celsius Network, you may probably have a bit of CEL tokens and you don't really know what to do with it, because there's not a lot of exchanges where you can exchange it to. There's not a lot of DeFi applications where you can yield farm your CEL tokens. Because it is an ERC20 token, you can potentially do it, but there is not a lot of means to do that at the moment. You are not really having any options to do anything with CEL tokens, right? But when it comes to institutional investors, they have all the reasons to hold CEL tokens, specifically if they borrow funds from Celsius Network, because when they have to pay back, they only pay back a portion of the interest, because if they do hold CEL tokens, their interest rates are greatly decreased, right? And that's why you can see by the institutional demand for Celsius token has spiked up its price, and it is only going to go up because there's a lot more institutional investors who are coming into the arena, right? And if you see, the Bitcoin comparative has also been going up. It has recently had a pullback, and I would suggest anyone who wants to invest in this token, who have already done their own research, that this would be the right time to enter this token, right? You can see that if you do have some spare satoshis, you may also want to use some spare satoshis to buy Celsius tokens, because it's at its relative lows when it comes to Bitcoin comparative, right? So that's a pretty cool indicator, and I believe that this token does have incredible potential to grow to massive amounts by the end of this bull run, right? If you look at the exchanges themselves, you can clearly see that being an ERC20 token, you can get Celsius tokens on Uniswap, but you can't really do anything with that because it doesn't really have any DeFi applications as of now. Yeah, one of the most reputed centralized exchanges is FTX. You can get Celsius tokens from there, but after that, if you see Bilaxy and Liquid, I wouldn't really trust any of those exchanges, because they may not only have low volumes, but it's also you may have to do some research before you open an account on any of these exchanges, right? I wouldn't suggest going past number 1 and number 2, which is Uniswap and FTX. If you want to buy it via Uniswap, bear in mind that you have to pay a high gas fee to do any swaps, so FTX is basically your only option left, right? So what are my final thoughts on Celsius token, right? I believe that with all the increasing institutional interests in cryptocurrencies, Celsius token is going to be the means by which most institutional investors would want to pay their loan back, right? And that is going to drive the price of Celsius token to the roof. If you want to buy Celsius token, please do your own research. This video is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. But if you are convinced that Celsius is going to outperform the market in the coming bull run, this is the perfect time to enter the market, right? And at this price level, you're basically getting it at a bargain. But again, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. I do personally have a bag of Celsius tokens, and I do believe that they do have incredible high potential, and it's a long-term hold for me, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.